जय हिंद. Saraswati Sisukunj Bagwala Borsad, Standard 5th, Subject EVS. We are going to start our 6th chapter, that is Seeds and Seeds. So before going in the chapter, let me tell you one story. So it is story of Gopal. Gopal was waiting for his Moses family to come, right? As we are waiting during summer vacation, right? So Gopal was waiting for his Moses family to come. They will be coming the next day for their holidays. Means I told you summer vacation, right? So Gopal was thinking about all fun and nice food that he would have with his cousins. Just then mother called out, Gopal, before you sleep, remember to soak 2 bowls of chana. She was going to his Bua's house and would be coming only in the morning. So before going to Bua's house, she informed to son that please soak 2 bowls of chana, right? When he was trying to soak, Gopal thought that how will 2 small bowls of chana be enough for 8 person? So he was thinking only 2 small bowls of chana, so he'd soak more 2 bowls, means total 4 bowls of chana he soaked. The next morning when his mother came, she saw that the chana were overflowing from the bowl, and she asked, how much did you soak? Gopal wondered, how did this happen? Actually the chana which was soaked inside the bowl was coming out, right? When he was doing that activity, when he was keeping that chana in the bowl which is full of water, at that time not the size of the chana was not that much big, but after one night it becomes bigger, and that all chana were overflowing from the bowl. So how did this happen? Mother said, it's okay now, I will cook half of the chana and half I will leave for sprout, so I can send it to your aunt, because doctor said to aunt that you should eat some sprout, it will be healthy for your body, right? So now think, why we soak this mung chana in the water for a night, right? And yeah, have you seen sprouts? Sprouts are very healthy for our body because it is nutritious, full of nutrients, right? Those chana, mung are full of nutrients which is sprouted, right? So this chana, mung all are seeds, right? It is related with our chapter seeds and seeds. So in this chapter, whole chapter, we are going to talk about seeds. There are many different kind of seeds. You have seen, right? Many seeds we use in our day-to-day life to eat, right? As example, if we talk about some seeds which is used in your home as a spice, that is black pepper and mustard seeds. Some more seeds are there. Look, seeds have different size, shape and color, right? Some seeds are flat, right? That is sesame seed and almond. You have seen sesame seed, right? And almond also. Vegetables also have seeds in them, right? Some have many, some have few. If we talk about lady finger, have you seen, right? It has many seeds. Just cut and try to observe, right? Cucumber also have many seeds inside, right? Some fruits have one seed like mango and lychee, right? Some fruits have few seeds like apple and pear. Some fruits are seedless, right? There is no seeds inside the fruit, that is banana and grapes. Some seedless vegetables are also there. You can see potatoes and carrot, right? They do not have seeds. So in this whole chapter we are talking about different seeds and how it get sprout, right? So first of all, let's understand, most plants grow from seed. Here so see your first point, most plants grow from seed, right? It is written most plants, not all plants. There are few plants which do not have seeds to grow. Like if we talk about banana plant, potato plant, right? Ginger plant, right? They grow from its stem. Rose plant, they grow from its stems. So some plants are there, few plants are there, they do not have seeds and they grow from its stems. But most of the plant grow from seeds, right? And the seeds, and seed requires enough air, water, warmth and place to grow. Now here air, water and warmth you understand, but what about place? So have you seen farmers when they are sowing the seeds, there should be some gap, right? They are leaving some space between two seeds, because you just ask yourself that do you require space to sit? Yes, we require. When you are a child, you require less space. When you grow up, right, at that time you require more space. Same here, seeds require small place, right, but when it grow as a plant, it require more space, but they cannot move, they have to be at one place. So that is why farmers are leaving some space between two seeds, so it require proper place to grow. These are conditions. When seed will not get air, they will not grow. When seed will not get water, they will not grow. When seed will not get warmth, it will not grow. For that, let's see one activity. So let's say activity here, what you require some chana or mung. So take few chana, take 3 bowls, right? In first bowl, what you have to do? Add water and 5 chana. Don't take more. In first bowl, right? This is for first bowl. We have 3 bowls, right? In first bowl, add water and so 5 chana in that. In second bowl, take a damp cloth. Cloth means any cotton cloth you can take with you, right? And make it wet. Make it wet. Wet cloth, right? And then put 5 chana. Put 5 chana in that cloth, right? And keep that cloth in the bowl, right? You have to take cloth, make it wet and keep 5 chana in that, right? In third bowl, only 5 chana. You have to keep only 5 chana, nothing else. No water, no cloth, nothing, right? Only chana you have to keep in that. And then observe after 2 to 3 days. But only you have to take care of this one, that your clothes should be wet during that both days. Your clothes should be wet during the both days. Now observe one by one, each bowl we have to observe. Now how will you observe it? Let's see observation table. See observation table here. Some questions are there in which we have to write answers for bowl 1, bowl 2 and bowl 3, right? For that all 3 we have to write answers. See first one. Are the seeds getting air? In first one, how we kept first one? In water. So in water, how seeds will get air? So it will not get air. So here cross. Otherwise you can write no also, right? Now for second bowl, are the seeds getting air? Look, we kept that chana or mung inside the cloth. The cloth was wet, but it was getting air. So yes, it was getting air. What about third one? In third one, we just kept chanas inside the bowl. So it was getting air, correct, right? So here, correct. Now see here, are the seeds getting water? First one getting water, yes. Why? Because we soaked in the water. So first bowl, chana which is kept in first bowl getting water. So correct. Second bowl, so yes, in second bowl, the chana which we kept, it can get water because the cotton cloth was wet, right? From that wet cloth, this chana can absorb water. So yes. Now third one, did we kept water in it? No, it was empty and we kept chanas inside it. It can get air, but no, it cannot get water. So here false will write. So third one, did you see any changes? So observe first bowl, it will swell up. The chana which we kept inside the bowl will swell up, it will increase in size. So here yes, it changes. In second, did you see any changes? You will see there is hair-like structure will come out from chana, right? It will swell up, correct, but the hair-like structure will also come out. So yes, here we can see changes. But in third one, which was empty, no, there will be no any change in third bowl because it is not getting water and air. See the last one. Have seeds sprouted? Now in which bowl seed you have seen that seeds are sprouted? So in first bowl, it will sprout? No, it will swell, but it will not sprout. The hair-like structure you will not see in chana. So false. In second one, will it sprout? Yes, because it get water. See here, it get air, it get water, and we kept only 5 chanas in there, so it get proper place to grow. So yes, it will sprout. The third one will sprout. It get water? No, it get air, but there is no water. To grow it require water, so it will not sprout, right? So I hope you understand what is required. Here we can say that seed require air, water, and here place also, warmth also it required to grow, right? Okay, let's move on our next topic. Let's see some more important points. Seed will germinate, primary roots, that is radicle, will come out first. Primary root, that is radicle, will appear first, and it will followed by, means second thing that will appear, that is your shoot, or we can say primary stem, right? When seed will germinate, first primary root, that is called radicle, will appear first, right? Look what happens, every seed has a coat, right? And when it will germinate, it will break, or we can say it will leaves that coat and comes out, because seed will swell up, so that coat will break and that primary root radicle comes out, and then after some time primary stem or shoot will appear, right? And then day by day it will increase, it will grow, right? Different seeds have different size, shape, color, right? As we have discussed in a beginning, that many fruits have some fruits have many seeds, some has few, right? If you observe seed of a mango, it is big. If you observe seed of watermelon, they are small, right? So there is a different size and shapes of seeds, and we use these seeds in as our food, in vegetables, fruits, right? So this is how your chapter begins with seed and seed, right? Here we understand what is required for germination, right? What are the weather condition is required for the seed germination, right? And how we use seeds in our day-to-day life, and how different fruits and vegetables have different amount of seeds. So let's start today's exercise. Exercise question number 1, write name of any two, right? Here few questions are there in which we have write two names of seed which is used as spice in your home. So that is black pepper and mustard. So black pepper and mustard and many other seeds are there which is used as spice in your home. See, second one, seeds which are flat. So they are sesame and almond. Sesame and almond are the seeds which are flat. I told you there is different size and shape. So here two seeds which are flat. See next one, vegetables that have seeds in them. Which vegetables have seeds? So let's write lady finger. We can say okra, cucumber. Lady finger, you can say okra and cucumber, right? So this two, as example we write here, so they have seeds. Okay, next one, fruits that have one seed in them. Which fruits? In summer season you like to eat that fruit, so that is mango and lychee. Mango and lychee have one seed in it. Let's see fifth number, fruits that have few seeds. Fruits that have few seeds, so that is apple and pear. Okay, see next one, fruits that have many seeds in it. Fruits that have many seeds, so let me write watermelon and papaya, right? And many other are there, you can write, but here we are writing only two. Okay, see, seedless fruit, a fruit which does not have any seeds, so that is banana and grapes. So banana and grapes do not have any seeds. Seedless vegetables, now there are few vegetables which are seedless, so that is potatoes and beet, right? So potato and beets do not have any seeds. Okay, so just take a look of this. Okay, so see here, fill in the blanks. First number, most plants grow from. Most plants, first sentence of the chapter, that is seeds. Most plants grow from seeds, right? Check second number. The root comes out first, followed by the shoots. Correct. Okay. Now see here. Third one. Seeds are differ in. I told you seeds. Seeds have different size, shape, and color. So 3 blank, 3 words: size, shape, and color. Fourth number, a baby plant called, that is embryo. A baby plant called embryo. So let's write spelling. Embryo. Next one, seed require enough. 3 things. Seed require enough air, water, and warmth. Right? Air, water, and warmth. So let's see our give reasons. See your first one. A seed kept in refrigerator does not germinate. A seeds which kept in refrigerator does not germinate. So let's see answer. A seed kept in refrigerator will not germinate because it does not get enough warmth. We all know that refrigerator has cold temperature inside, but warmth, which is so important for seeds. That is why if you keep seeds in refrigerator, it will not germinate. Let's see our second give reason. A seed kept in airtight container does not germinate. So let's see answer. Answer is, a seed kept in airtight container does not germinate because it does not get enough air, right? Because it is airtight container. So air circulation, there is no possibility of air circulation. So seed will not get air and it will not germinate. Let's see third number. Farmers leave space while sowing seeds. I explain you right in the beginning. So what is the reason? Let's see answer. Farmers leave space while sowing seeds because seedling means baby plant, right? That seedling need enough space to grow. It requires some enough space to grow, right? So this is fill in the blanks, give reasons. Just have a look of all answers again. So I hope you understand all topics which is discussed today. Just prepare your worksheet. All question answers so important, right? Do your worksheet carefully. Thank you.